Why does your scanner show the P115C engine code? What does it mean? P115C is a diagnostic trouble code for mass or volume air flow A, air mass too low compared to model. It indicates that the air mass measured is too low compared to what the vehicle's computer expects based on its parameters. Essentially, the engine is not getting enough air to operate properly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty mass airflow sensor, dirty mass airflow sensor, damaged mass airflow sensor wiring, air intake system leaks, air filter restriction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mini Cooper or BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.